Well, we're obviously proud of all of the projects that we work on. One in particular is in London called Royal Wharf.
Royal Wharf is a private development that started in around 2017 for Ballymore Oxley. They started on phase 1 and it's morphed into phase 2, 3, 4 and 5, which has now over 90 blocks all linked to a central concierge.
It was one of the biggest construction sites in Europe, so that in itself tells you the challenges that we had. We had to adapt it, change it to customer requirements, and it was quite a ferocious programme, but it was a very interesting project.
So the system we used at Royal Wharf was the Apex video door entry system, which is a secure by design product with data logging and full access control and capable of multiple door access control, video, panel cameras, integration of other CCTV cameras, use of various different door entry system handsets and integration to a full working concierge.
So as well as securing the access doors to all the apartments, there are numerous little gardens around the site for residents to use. So these had gates installed with maglocks, and again the CAME ENTROTEC system has fob readers serving them, so all the gardens are secure. As well as also within the blocks we secured the bike stores, bin stores and some other amenity rooms as well, all using the same fob readers deployed around the whole site.
So Royal Wharf had to meet secure by design in lots of senses in different aspects of the development, but the initial stages were an outer and inner door system, video call panel on the outer door with a dome camera looking across at the whole of the door, and then a panel camera for facial recognition, leading into a secure lobby with a further call panel. This one only needed just facial recognition on the call panel, creating a secure lobby to stop tailgating. In later developments, because you had blocks over 25 flats, and when Homes 2019 was introduced, you had to do compartmentalisation of any block over 25 flats. Because of the architectural layout of the building, we had the inner door, the outer door, but we also had lift call panels to do control of destination to certain floors using the video door entry and the proximity access control.
So if a resident shows a fob to the panel outside the lift, it brings the lift to ground. Within the lift car there's a fob reader, and the resident shows that fob, which allows the lift buttons to work so that they can go to their respective floor. A visitor would call from the CAME ENTROTEC digital call panel, and again when the lock release has been given, it enables the buttons in the lift car for the visitor to travel to the person's apartment.
It was very well planned, and the architects had a very clear vision, and we were able to meet their requirements with our innovative designs. Continual maintenance and upgrades to the access control system and software-based concierge system has helped keep up with their changing needs as the site has grown.
The project is now expanding again. This is now being called Riverscape.
That's going to comprise of circa 750 apartments over 12 blocks that will again have the CAME ENTROTEC system installed, and it will be cabled back to the FCC to be bolted on so that the customer can program the fobs and administer it just as they do for Royal Wharf.
We expect further land purchases to be bought and the system and site to be extended further. Working on Royal Wharf was a great achievement. The client and the project have been well received.
It was absolutely great to work with John and CAME ENTROTEC together.